Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project. Making your very own, indestructible, wallet. Yes, you heard that right. We're building a wallet that can withstand the test of time. Or at least, a good deal of wear and tear. Now, you might be thinking, indestructible? Well, we're not promising miracles. But we are using some seriously tough materials. We've got two options for you today. First, we'll be using Tyvek. This is that super strong, paper-like material that you often find in mailing envelopes. It's incredibly durable and surprisingly hard to rip. Our second option is good old duct tape, the handyman's best friend. Duct tape wallets are classic for a reason. They're tough and can be customized to your liking. So, let's gather our supplies. For the Tyvek wallet, you'll need a Tyvek sheet or envelope, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a pen or pencil. For the duct tape wallet, you'll need duct tape in your chosen colors, scissors, and a ruler. That's it. Simple, right? First up, the Tyvek wallet. Lay your Tyvek flat. We'll start by determining the size of the wallet. Measure and mark the dimensions you want. A standard wallet size is about 8 inches by 3 inches. But feel free to adjust to your preference. Now, fold the Tyvek to create the card slots and cash pocket. A simple tri-fold design works perfectly. Fold one side in about a third of the way, then fold the other side over that. This will create the basic structure. Next, we'll add the card slots. You can either cut slits into the folded Tyvek to create individual slots, or you can create pockets by folding additional pieces of Tyvek and taping them in place. The choice is yours. Now, let's move on to the duct tape wallet. This one is a little different, but still fun. You'll need to create two main pieces, the front and the back. Start by laying down strips of duct tape, side by side, on a flat surface. Make sure they overlap slightly to create a strong bond. Once you have a piece that's the desired size, flip it over and repeat the process on the other side. This will create a solid base. Next, trim the edges to get a clean rectangle. Then, fold the rectangle in half to form the wallet. You can use extra duct tape to seal the edges and reinforce the fold. Just like with the Tyvek wallet, you can create card slots by adding layers of duct tape. Cut a few pieces of duct tape and stick them to the inside of the wallet. With both wallets, the key is to be precise with your measurements and neat with your cuts and folds. A little patience goes a long way. And hey, if you make a mistake, don't worry. That's part of the fun. You can always try again. Now, for the moment of truth. Let's test these wallets out. Remember, we're aiming for indestructible. Let's see if we can rip them. Try ripping the wallets. Okay, as you can see, both the Tyvek and the duct tape wallets are pretty tough. They held up remarkably well. We couldn't rip either wallet easily. That's pretty impressive. So there you have it, folks. Two awesome DIY wallets that are built to last. Whether you choose Tyvek or duct tape, you're sure to end up with a practical and unique accessory. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects.